All right, we're going into summer, and this is the Lawn Vigor Aerator that pulls out the cores like this. I got the kids playing here outside, so you're going to hear them in the background. But the package doesn't really come with instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. We just got to line up these holes on the side, and all the tools are included. It comes with this wrench and this holder. I forgot what you call this key holder to hold it in place. So just put it in place. Just got to put it in through the holes, line up the holes. Like so. And line it up with the nut and tighten. Oh, looks like it's pretty straightforward. Right to tight. And I'm going to add all four. And it's nice, it comes with one extra here. So I'm going to time skip to that when it's all installed. And this is what it looks like after putting the Lawn Vigor Aerator together. It uses the same nut and screw over here at the end where the tines are. You can see I've tried already aerating the soil. It's been raining for 2 days, so the soil's really sticky, but you just have to press down with the weight of your body. Kind of find I have to like wiggle it to get it all the way down and then pull straight out. And you can see the soil plugs kind of coming out. So you can leave it there. Don't mind the kids, they're just playing. So, aerate it again. Hi, baby. Press it right down, pull it out, and you can do your lawn in the afternoon instead of paying someone else to do it. You can see the welds here. Well, it's getting close. They look very strong, very clean. The metal itself looks very sturdy. The edges look sharp. The handle here is this grippy plastic. Feels rubber-like. The handle here is a hard foam, maybe like on a scooter. And so very easy to see. You press down with your foot again. Every season. This works on soil that's, like in my area, very clay-like. You can see it pulls out the soil, so it's a nice and easy way to take an afternoon and aerate your lawn with the Lawn Vigor Aerator. So if you like these type of reviews, consider following my channel. I hope this is really helpful.
Stop here. You can't step on this line in my basement.
And from my family to yours, thank you for your time.